This video will guide you through the steps to diagnose and resolve any squeaking noises you may encounter with your Scooper Pro X. Remove the top cover and listen for any noises. Carefully inspect the edges of the cover for smoothness. Uneven or curved edges can cause noise. Please capture a photo of the edges and share it with us if you notice any irregularities. Proceed to remove the ball cabin, exposing just the base. Again, check for any noises with the base exposed. Please take a photo of the gray seals on the base to ensure they are properly aligned and share it with us for further inspection. Next, remove all the gray plush seals from the base and listen for noises. At this stage, please refrain from reassembling the ball cabin and top cover. Reinstall the ball cabin without the gray seals and check for any noises. Inform us of any changes you observe. Finally, replace the top cover, again leaving out the gray seals. Check for noises and let us know the outcome. We are here to assist you every step of the way, so please update us on your situation and we will help ensure your Scooper Pro X operates smoothly.